How to enable or disable effect transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and head over to the edit page where your timeline and clips are placed. On the top left, find and click on effects in the toolbar to reveal the list of available transitions and effects. Next, to enable a transition, just drag any transition from the list and drop it between two clips on your timeline. Once applied, the transition will automatically play between those clips. You can click on the transition to fine-tune its duration or properties using the inspector panel. If you want to add visual effects to a clip, select a clip, then go to the effects tab in the inspector. From there, you can apply and control different visual effects. Now, if you wish to disable a transition, simply select it on the timeline and press the delete key or right click and choose delete. This removes the transition from between the clips. To disable a visual effect, go to the inspector, switch to the effects tab and toggle off the effect. If you want to remove the effect entirely, click on the trash icon next to it. These steps are helpful if you want to clean up your edit or improve playback speed. And if you make a mistake, remember, you can always undo it quickly by pressing Ctrl+Z. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable effects transition in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.